How to make creamy tiramisu iced coffee at home. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a dessert-inspired drink that's rich, creamy and absolutely irresistible, a tiramisu-inspired iced coffee. If you love the classic Italian dessert with its layers of coffee, cocoa and cream, this chilled coffee version is about to become your new favorite treat. Ingredients to make one tiramisu-inspired iced coffee. You'll need temdi 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee or espresso, cooled thumbed 1 cup iced empty 1/4 cup milk or cream whole milk, half and half. Or mascarpone-style creamer, stemdi 1-2 tablespoons, sweetened condensed milk or vanilla syrup, stemdi 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract thorny. Unsweetened cocoa powder for dusting, 13 optional. A splash of coffee liqueur for an adult twist. Directions: start by brewing your coffee, or espresso, and allow it to cool completely. This step is important so the ice doesn't melt too quickly and water down the flavor. Fill a tall glass with ice and pour the cooled coffee over it. In a small bowl or jar, whisk together the milk or cream, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla extract until smooth and slightly thickened. This creamy mixture mimics the luscious mascarpone layer found in traditional tiramisu. Slowly pour the cream mixture over the iced coffee, allowing it to cascade through the glass for that layered chie-fait look. Gently stir to combine, adjusting sweetness if needed. Finish the drink with a light dusting of unsweetened cocoa powder on top, just like classic tiramisu. For extra indulgence, you can add a small dollop of whipped cream before dusting with cocoa. For a fun variation, serve this drink in a clear glass with a ladyfinger cookie on the side, or blend everything with ice for a frozen tiramisu coffee treat. And there you have it, a smooth, decadent tiramisu-inspired iced coffee that brings dessert and coffee together in one refreshing glass. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more coffee creations, and let me know in the comments if you prefer your coffee creamy, frozen, or extra chocolatey. See you in the next cup. Fun Diden. Free ebook, Starbucks Liqueurs. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffeelover.